We've given them a real home from home. Oh, they'll love it. Well, except for that one. I'm very worried about it. It's gone completely bonkers. It's not lying sulking in the shade, it's creeping round the undergrowth. It's keeping well out of the way of all the others.
There's a sort of semblance of a nest here. Okay. Okay, Mum, I'm just looking at your eggs, okay.
With luck, it won't be long before the park is home to the first baby dinosaurs for 65 million years. Martha the mammoth is still feeling the heat, so it's time for the staff to carry out Nigel's cunning plan.
Okay, cool. That's great. Stop her there. Excellent. Thanks. Good girl, Martha. Well done. Good girl. Just stay there. Hey, can I get those? Great. Excellent.
The T-Rex are at each other's throats. And it's up to headkeeper Bob to cool them down before it's too late.
Open the gate! Come on! Get moving now, quick, one government! As soon as you're clear, get the gate shut! That's it, lads, get that water pumping through, come on! Up beside it, Dan. That's it. That's the way. Higher! Try and get the piece a bit higher. Hey, lads, come on! Come on, quick as you like! That's it, that's it! That's it, keep the pressure up!
They're being moved to holding pens while a dividing wall is built. Terence doesn't seem too impressed with his new accommodation. And Matilda, for once, seems to be in agreement. Martha the mammoth is comfortable with her new haircut. The strange behaviour of the ornithomimus turned out to be pretty normal for an expectant mum. And for the time being, the T-Rex are no longer trying to kill each other.